Bill Mott's life is on the land. But when we first met him during the Banking Royal Commission, he'd just lost his $22 million estate in a dispute with his bank.
It feels like another lifetime away. And quite frankly, I don't ever want to revisit that mentally or physically again.
The frenzy of scandals exposed at the Royal Commission made banks put customers first. They killed off punishing practices and worked to fix some intractable disputes, including Bill's. After a settlement, he's on a new property with a fresh start.
It is rare. You know, you don't get back what you had, but you get some sort of life back again.
Millions of customers shed in billions of dollars worth of remediation after the Royal Commission exposed the scandal of fees for no service. But big systemic problems like that remain.
We do continue to see widespread failures in compliance systems, legacy systems.
Having worked for the competition watchdog and now with the corporate regulator, Sarah Court says there's been a turning point.
The Royal Commission really marked a sort of seminal change in conduct by banks.
Unsolicited offers of credit have been banned. And there's been a shake-up in culture that's abolished sales commissions for many staff. The industry says it's gone back to basics. Banks have simplified their operations, exiting financial advice, wealth management and insurance. They now have a razor-sharp focus on core banking services that serve businesses and households. Regulators have also changed. While previously happy to get money returned to dudded customers, now they're taking a more aggressive stance.
What the Royal Commission told us was, look, that's not enough and there has to be a holding to an account.
So there's a track record that you can see of APRA now taking enforcement action, imposing overlays, having remediation plans.
Each of the big four banks has been dragged to court, as well superannuation funds and insurers.
We have sued the large insurers, superannuation trustees. There's been about $178 million in penalties awarded by the courts in both civil and criminal matters.
Customers are in a better place. Karen Cox has worked with people in financial trouble for decades. She was the Royal Commission's first witness.
I think the Royal Commission has largely been good. I think the legal landscape now is better. People have more rights.
But there's unfinished business, like a lack of protection for consumers who are sold loans at car yards, and conflicts of interest in how mortgage brokers are paid. The issues that led to the Royal Commission 5 years ago have faded, even if they haven't all been fixed. Focusing the minds of banks, regulators and customers now, the impact of higher interest rates and increasingly sophisticated scams. Bill still worries about the power imbalance between lenders and customers, but he feels lucky to be in his position.
To top it all off, I had 2 grandchildren born the morning of the settlement. Yeah, pretty special.
For banks and customers, time heals.